In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and add discounts in Big Cartel. This quick and straightforward process will take you through each step to ensure you know exactly how to offer enticing discounts to your customers, boosting your shop's appeal, and potentially increasing your sales. Let's start by visiting the homepage of Big Cartel, which is known for offering free, easy online stores perfect for artists and small businesses. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the login option, usually found in the upper corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be taken to the login screen where you need to enter your shop's URL and password. Remember, you need to have these credentials handy as they're essential for accessing your store's dashboard. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself at the Big Cartel dashboard. This is your central hub for managing everything related to your store, from products to orders, and of course discounts. Locate the section labeled Discounts on the dashboard and click on it. This will take you to the discounts page where the magic begins. Now you're ready to add a discount. Look for the Add a Discount icon, typically marked with a plus sign or labeled clearly, and click on it. This action will direct you to a new page where you can start crafting your discount offer. Begin by deciding on a discount code. This should be something memorable or relevant, as your customers will need to use it at checkout. Consider keeping it simple and easy to remember. Next, provide a description for your discount. This is your opportunity to clarify any details your customers need to know, such as terms and conditions, or what specific items or categories the discount applies to. Clarity here can prevent confusion and ensures customers understand how to use the discount. After you've entered the discount code and its description, you'll see a drop-down menu option on this page. Use the drop-down to select the type of discount you're offering, whether it's a percentage off, a fixed amount reduction, or perhaps free shipping. Choosing correctly here is key to making sure your discount reflects your intentions and benefits both you and your customers. Once you're satisfied with the details you filled out, the final step is to save your efforts. Look for the Save button on the page and click it. This action will ensure that your discount settings are applied and live, ready for your customers to use. And there you have it. Creating and adding discounts in Big Cartel is as easy as following these few steps. Whether you're looking to attract new customers or reward loyal ones, adding discounts is a fantastic way to enhance your store's appeal.